Hi guys, what's up? I hope you are all doing well. My car is broken. It's been a long time since it was broken last time. It's been working perfectly through the whole winter. And also this time it's only a small problem. At least it was a small problem. But it was getting a little bit bigger. Left side license plate light doesn't work. So I removed this holder and I took this bulb out, and yes, it was broken. I looked which kind of bulb it is so I can go and buy a new one. But then I tried to install back this holder without the bulb, and there is a small clip in this holder and it broke. I have to order a new one, obviously. I looked online, you can buy used one for 10 bucks, and original ones also I found for maybe 20 bucks or something. I want to have it quite fast, of course, and I went to our local Opel garage and I ordered a new one. I also bought a bulb from them, and they already gave me this bulb. I didn't pay anything yet. I didn't even ask the price because it can't be that much, right? It can't be more than 40 francs or something. So actually right now, 2 days later, I'm going to pick up this part. Okay, that was fast. I have a new part, original Opel part. I was actually a little bit surprised. This part was only 20 francs. 20 francs. I don't know. Maybe they did a mistake or something, but I think it's pretty cheap. But the funny thing is that because I already bought this bulb from them, and this bulb 10 francs. 10 francs. Maybe next time I will just go to Bauhaus and buy a new bulb, because I could get two of those bulbs for 3 francs or something. I'm going now to install this part. It should be the right one. They used my registration paper and my car information to order this part, so it should be the right one. But let's see. That's the new part, original part. There's the part numbers and everything. Looks right. And this clip is in place. I hope this won't break when I will put it back. Take a look at this. There's already a bulb inside. I think that's also something they didn't know in this garage. Or did they? I got this whole set for 20 francs, and there is also this 10 francs bulb inside already. Now I have the second one if this other side will break. I just noticed it is a little bit different. That's the new one. That's the old one. So it is different. But the size is the same. happy if it works. Let's just fast take a closer look at these. So I am going to build a new kitchen table, and these bolts are coming to this table. These two things I want to have. I will obviously sink these to the table. I will just drill holes and sink those that these are flush with the surface. And these are actually the same size exactly, so it will look very nice. This first one, this is wireless charging for the phone, and this is also pop-up style. So here is also USB and USB-C connectors for the cables. Very nice to have in this table. The second one, we quite often eat something like raclette, and for the raclette we need a machine where we can grill all these meats and melt the cheese, and obviously this machine needs power. This is also pop-up style, and here is blocks for two. Very nice to have these both. That means that my kitchen table project is also moving on. Finally.